Well, hello, delectable. The heck? No, thank you. Sorry about that. Okay, I don't know what... Oh. Hey Jojo. All right. If I wanted opera in this house, I would just hire a Viking lady. So, hope that person doing the opera knows that. Okay. Oh no! Oh. Oh. I regret that. Okay, you know, this last straw. This isn't gonna fly with all ribbon. Okay, I've had it with this. Oh, I get it. You aren't the one doing the opera. Alright. Sorry, wrongfully accused little dog. I apologize. Okay, well I'll go. I'll see you later. Won't be bothering you anymore. Nobody likes a show off, Jojo. Quit leaving your toys around. See you later.